Hey guys, welcome back. Well, this is a spur of the moment recording. Just got back from shopping and shoveling some more of that terrific snow in my driveway. But I noticed my windshield washer fluid wasn't working, wasn't running, and it's 3/4 full. So I think I know what the problem is. So I thought I would share with you a quick newbie guide on how to winterize your car. Some of the steps I do. So let me go ahead and switch camera angles and I'll show you what I think you need to do before a snowstorm hits or before winter comes. It's not that complicated. So this is my quick newbie guide to winterize your car. Okay, well, sorry for the relatively poor quality. Again, I'm just using my cell phone and this was a spur of the moment thing. This might help someone. So the problem with my windshield washer fluid not working, it's because I was using a mixture of water and windshield washer fluid. In the wintertime, I would suggest you use 100% windshield washer fluid or close to 100% and no water whatsoever, because I pulled in the garage, I let the water warm up, or let the car and the water warm up, and it sprayed just fine. You can see some of the water there on the windshield. So make sure that that is full strength in the wintertime when filling it up with windshield washer fluid. Also make sure that you have a pretty good battery. Make sure it's rated for your car. Actually, make sure it's actually ranked a little bit higher in terms of cold cranking amps. I did not buy a top-of-the-line battery. My car normally stays in a heated garage. That's why I didn't. But my next battery, I think, to prevent the possibility of not starting in a snowstorm, I will buy a better battery. Let's see. Well, antifreeze. Make sure you have the proper mixture and make sure you buy what is rated for your car. There are different kinds of antifreezes for different kinds of cars. If you're not sure who to ask, just go to your local Pep Boys, AutoZone, Service Center. They'll be happy, by the way, to tell you what antifreeze you need and also to test your battery to make sure that it works. And I actually bought this one at Walmart, and I can have my battery tested anytime. Oil. I recommend you use synthetic, a synthetic type, a synthetic blend, or preferably full synthetic. I've noticed, and you will notice, that if you use a full synthetic or synthetic blend, you may notice that your car may not take as long to warm up in the wintertime, especially when it sits outside. It's been proven by tests that synthetic oil, full synthetic at least, is much better in protecting your engine. And one of the oils was tested to protect the engine up to 20,000 miles or 1 year, or even more than 20,000 miles. I don't recommend you let the oil go 20,000 miles, but that being said, there was one oil, and it may have been Mobil 1, that's ranked to go 20,000 miles between oil changes. Other things, obviously check your other fluids, brake fluid. What else we have here? I have power steering fluid. Yeah, air filter. I change that at least once a year, sometimes twice a year. I believe in a car having as clean air as possible. And also make sure that your vents here are clear. You can see here on both sides, make sure that's free of leaves and debris, and that'll help enough air to get into the car for heating and defrosting and all that important stuff. Well, that's my quick tip on winterizing your car. Probably the #1 tip I can give you, especially when it comes to windshield washer fluid. Make sure you use a full strength. Use the fluid full strength and don't mix water and windshield washer fluid, because it will freeze just like it froze on me. If you guys have any other tips, let me know. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.